Join me as I take on the challenge of automating my passive income streams. Can I really set it all up in just one day? Passive income is the holy grail of financial independence. It's the ability to earn money while you sleep, travel, or focus on the things you love. But the truth is, most people struggle to achieve it because they lack the knowledge, time, or resources to get started. When you think about creating passive income streams, you might feel overwhelmed by the amount of work involved. You might think you need to be an expert in finance, marketing, or technology to succeed. But the reality is, most people get stuck because they don't know where to start or how to prioritize their time. One of the biggest challenges people face is finding the time to create and manage their passive income streams. They might have a full-time job, family responsibilities, or other obligations that leave them with little energy or bandwidth to focus on building their wealth. Another challenge is the lack of knowledge and skills to create and market digital products, invest in stocks or real estate, or build a successful online business. So, how can you overcome these challenges and start building your passive income streams? The answer lies in automation. By leveraging the right tools, strategies, and systems, you can simplify the process of earning passive income and free up more time to focus on the things that matter most to you. One way to automate your passive income streams is through investment apps that allow you to invest small amounts of money into a diversified portfolio. You can also use affiliate marketing to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. Online courses are another great way to monetize your knowledge and skills, and platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare make it easy to create and sell your courses. Another powerful way to automate your passive income streams is through email marketing. By building an email list and sending targeted promotional emails, you can earn passive income from affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or selling your own products or services. You can also use automation tools to create and schedule social media posts, saving you time and energy. One tool that has revolutionized the way I automate my passive income streams is a website called vidIQ. This platform allows me to create marketing content for videos and email marketing campaigns with just a few clicks. It's easy to use, customize, and integrate with other tools and systems, making it a game changer for anyone looking to automate their passive income streams. By automating your passive income streams, you can free up more time to focus on the things you love, travel, or pursue new opportunities. You can also reduce your stress and anxiety, knowing that your money is working for you, even when you're not actively working. In conclusion, automating your passive income streams is key to achieving financial independence. By leveraging the right tools, strategies, and systems, you can simplify the process of earning passive income and free up more time to focus on the things that matter most to you. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step today and start building your passive income streams. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more advanced passive income strategies, be sure to check out my next video.